Hello students, welcome to our today's online class. Our today's topic is competency based questions from LCM part 1. Today we will solve at least 3 competency based questions. So let's begin. First of all, question number 1. You can see question number 1 on the screen. Let's read the question carefully and try to understand. 3 bells having tolled together began tolling after every 9, 12 and 15 minutes. This question has some information that says 3 bells after ringing together, they are ringing after every 9 minutes, 12 minutes and 15 minutes. Question number A asks, what should be done to find out after what minimum time will the bell toll together again? So what type of math is this? What can we do for this math? For these types of bells, when it is asked to say minimum or least, we should do LCM. So how can we write the answer here? We can write like solution number A. In question number A, instead of what, we just write LCM. So LCM should be done. Because the question asks minimum time, so we do LCM. LCM, L means least common multiples and minimum also indicates it is lowest or least or smallest. LCM should be done to find out after what minimum time. In the question, we just replace what by LCM, nothing else. The bells toll. Here toll means ringing together again. This should be the answer. I hope you understand. Now move on to our next question, question number B. Question number B says, after what minimum time will the bells toll together again? After what minimum time? So now we have to find the minimum time. So we do LCM here. So we can write here, we find the LCM of 9, 12 and 15. So we use the Euclid methods. In the last class we already learned how to do Euclid methods LCM. So using Euclid's method we do the LCM. At first we write the 3 numbers, that means 3 minutes, 9 minutes, 12 minutes and 15 minutes, and then we try to find the LCM of these 3 numbers by using Euclid's method. At first we see, is there any even number, more than one even number? No, there is only one even number. So we next we try to divide the number by 3. I think all the numbers, all the digits can divided by 3. So we divide 9 by 3, the answer will be 3. We divide 12 by 3, it will be 4, and we divide 15 by 3 and it will be 5. So the LCM will be, we just multiply these 3 times the number below the line, that means 3 times 4 times 5. So the answer of the LCM will be 3 times 3 will be 9, 9 times 4 will be 180 in total. Now how can we write the answer here? We write the answer like Therefore, the required minimum time is 180 minutes. If you look carefully, then if the question asks after what minimum hour, or after what minimum minutes, or after what minimum time, there can be three different types of question. If the question asks about minute, you have to write the answer in minutes. If the question asks in hours, you have to write the answers in hour. And if the question just mention time, you can write either minute, or you can write is equal to 3 hours, because we know 180 minutes is equal to 3 hours. So this is the answer of number B. Now we move on to our next question, question number C. So how can we solve question number C here? If the bells begin tolling after every 6, 9 and 12 minutes, after what minimum time will the bells toll together again? That means now we have to find the LCM of 6, 9 and 12. So if we do question number C, now we can write, we find the LCM of 6, 9 and 12. Now if we use Euclid's method, 6, 9 and 12, here there are two even numbers, so we divide at first by 2. 2 3s are 6, 9 will be as it is, and 6 2s are 12. Now we can divide by the next prime number, that means 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, and 3 2s are 6. So the LCM of these three numbers are, LCM is 2 times 3 times 3 times 2. So 2, 2, 3, 3, 2. If we multiply all these numbers, we'll get the answer 3 2s are 6 and 3 2s are 6. That means 36. Therefore, the required minimum time is equal to 36 minutes, which completes the answer number C. I hope you understand very well, and you will practice these maths in your home. Now we move on to our next question, question number 2. The question is written on the screen. At first we read the question carefully and then try to solve this question. Question number A asks, the buses company A depart every 20 minutes and buses company B depart every 30 minutes from a bus station. Question number A asks, write the prime factors of 20 and 30. So what is prime number? We will solve this question here after a few minutes. And question number B asks, if they depart from the bus station together at the beginning, after what minimum time? Again, the question asks after what minimum time. So we will do LCM again. So let's start writing. First of all, we need to learn what is prime numbers. So we just start solving. Let's say solution number 2, number A. Prime factors means the number which can be divided only one and by itself, then it is called a prime number. So 20 can be written as 2 times 10, right? It can also be written as 2 times, and 10 can be written as 5 times 2. Here 2, 5 are prime factors, so 20 can be written as 2 times 2 times 5. This is our answer. Again, for 30 we can write 3 times 10 and also 3 times 5 times 2. Therefore 30 can be written as 3 times 2 times 5, which is our answer. I hope you understand. We just rewrite 30 as the multiples of some prime factors. So here prime factors, so how can we write? Therefore prime factors of 20 are 2 and 5. Therefore prime factors of 30 are 2, 3 and 5. All these three numbers are prime factors. This is the answer of number A. Now we move on to our next question, question number B. So if they depart from the bus station together at the beginning, after what minimum time will they depart together again? So the maths which is related to minimum time, we will just do LCM. So for doing solution of number B, we just do LCM. So we can write, we find the LCM of 20 and 30. So how can we find the LCM? By using Euclid method. So 20 and 30, at first we divide it by 2 because both 20 and 30 are even numbers. So we divide this 20 by 2, it will be 10, and 30 divided by 2, it will be 15. Now if we divide this number again by 5, we just got 2 and 3. Therefore LCM will be 2 times 5 times 2 times 3. So our answer will be 10 times 6, that means 60. Therefore the required minimum time is equal to 60 minutes, which completes our answer number B. Okay, I hope you understand this maths also. You have to practice a lot in your home. Now we move on to our next question, question number 3. At first we read the question. At a wedding home, among 3 different lights, red, blue and green lights blink every 10 minutes, 15 minutes and 25 minutes respectively. At the beginning, the 3 lights being blinked together after what minimum time? Again, here the question asked after what minimum time will the lights blink together again. Blinks means on and off, on and off, on and off. You know that in a wedding home, the decoration light just for beautification, they just blink all the lights. So there are 3 types of lights, red, blue and green, and all the lights blink after every 10 minutes, 15 minutes and 25 minutes respectively. So after what minimum time? If they blink together at the beginning, and then after what minimum time they will blink together again next time. So for this question, I know you can answer it because we have to do, all we have to do just finding LCM. So here we can write like this solution. Question number A, we find the LCM of 10, 15 and 25. So we write the Euclid system 10, 15 and 25. There are only one, there is only one even number, so we just try to next prime number, that means 5, the minimum prime number, which can be divided all the numbers by 5. So it will be 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15 and 5 5s are 25. Therefore the LCM will be the multiplication of all those digits we got including 5 times 2 times 3 times 5. So our answer will be 150. 5 to the 10, 10 threes are 30, 30 times 5 is 150 minutes. So the required minimum time is 150 minutes. If the question asks answer after what minimum hours, then we can write 2 hours and 30 minutes. So we can also write 2 hours and 30 minutes if we need it. If the question asks answers in hours, then we can write in this way. Okay, let's begin. Let's move on to our next question. Question number B. Question number B asks, the three lights blink together at 6:25 p.m. What minimum time will they blink together again next time? At what time? At what time? So this question just asks after what time. That means we know that the time after 2 hours and 30 minutes they will blink together again. So at first they blink at 6:25 p.m. So we need to just do math by writing like this: hours, minutes. We just do the addition of hour and minute. So at first it was 6 and 25, and then it was 2 hours 30 minutes. So if we add these two numbers, we just got here 8 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8, and 5 and 5, 55. So the required time is 8:55 p.m. So if the three lights blink together at 6:25 p.m., then it will blink at 8:55 p.m. again. Alright, this is our answer. Now in this class we have learned three creative questions here. Question number 1, question number 2, and question number 3. I hope you understand these maths very clearly, and if you practice in your home, then you will be able to answer this in your exam very correctly. So this is time to give you some homework. So your HW for today's class will be CW is HW. That means the three maths we have done in this class will be your homework. Alright, until next class, it is goodbye from Hussain Mohammad Khan.